Analog Devices LTM9100 Isolated Anyside Micromodule controllers with I2C command and telemetry provide designers the flexibility, control, and protection for DC supplies with bus voltages up to 1000 volts. With reinforced insulation and inrush current limiting, the LTM9100 is ideal for applications such as high voltage DC hot swappable cards and industrial control systems. The LTM9100 is called an Anyside controller because it can easily be used in high side, low side, or floating applications. This is possible because of the isolation between the switch controller and the digital control interface. The controller also provides soft start control that allows for an adjustable turn-on ramp rate and current limit. Extensive fault monitoring is integrated as well, including undervoltage, overvoltage, and FET short, with programmable auto retry and fault alerts. The LTM9100 offers reinforced insulation and isolated data and power paths, which is necessary for many telecom and data center applications, or when working with the rectified 120, 240, or 480 volt AC voltages common in industrial applications. A 5 kV RMS isolation barrier separates the switching controller and digital side and supports maximum continuous working voltages of 1000 volts DC or 690 volts RMS, and the device is rated for plus or minus 20 kV ESD protection across the barrier. The LTM9100 is also flexible in how it is used, with separate power and logic supplies. A single 5-volt supply powers both sides of the controller using an integrated, isolated DC to DC converter, while the independent logic supply supports interfaces from 3 to 5.5 volts and eliminates the need for level shifting between the controller and host. The controller has PG and PGIO pins on the isolated side that can be used for enabling or sequencing loads, and PGIO can also be configured as a GPIO. An integrated 10-bit ADC provides isolated measurements of load current and 2 additional parameters, such as bus voltage and temperature, while all signal lines connected to bus voltage are internally filtered and protected. On the logic side, an SMBus compatible I2C interface provides access to the ADC measurements, detailed fault reporting, and controller status. There are also dedicated power good status and fault alert outputs, as well as gate enable and module enable inputs. The LTM9100 integrates all of this functionality in a 22 by 9 by 5.16 mm BGA package with 14.6 mm creepage, and it offers common mode transient immunity greater than 30 kV per microsecond. Evaluation boards are available for 48 volt and 380 volt systems. For more information about the Analog Devices LTM9100 Isolated Anyside Micromodule controllers, as well as its associated evaluation boards, visit Mouser.com.